Starting a Brazilian point, you can start off with an inner thigh. Is gone now. This small area of these hairs that are going this way. And I will just, let me make this. I will just take all that hair off. And so I'm gonna, so now we've laid this strip. And now all of this hair is gone. Following pattern of the hair growth. And we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna make sure all that hair is gone. Okay, so now we have pulled the shaft and the scrotum off to the side. And you're gonna pull as tight as you can. And you are gonna treat this strip as one big one. So you're just gonna go, follow the hair, get into the crevices. They should all be flat. If there's a crease in it, go around it, don't go over the crease. But if it's flat, please by all means grab it in one go. Hold very tightly. You want to be very careful with this inner thigh hair because this skin is very thin. So you don't want to get your wax on the inner thigh. The skin very taut. All it's going to go into one and it's going to be flat. Absolutely flat. Again, if there is a crease where the shaft meets the skin, or there's a crease where the scrotum and the shaft meet, that needs to be flat. Flat, flat, flat. If it's not flat, do not put wax over it. You will lift the skin. So now we are going to put our beautiful green wax over the area and make sure we have all of those hairs. Okay, make sure we have one good lip so it's easy to grab. Okay, so we just finished moving the scrotum and the shaft from left to right to get the sides of the hair. And so now we are just left with the triangle because all of this hair is growing down. And at this point, we are pulling down the shaft. Pulling down, basically pulling it all the way down to the butt. So you can ask them to hold onto their stomach, pull that tight, so that this is so flat that when you go to pull, it does not get stuck. This is the scrotum pulled all the way high. The scrotum should be over the shaft. We should be seeing no shaft at this point. See that all of these hairs from the butt crack, starting the butt crack, all the way up go in one direction. From the inner butt crack, all the way up. And you're going to follow the hair growth pattern. And it's going to be one big strip. It's done in two pulls. So one to go. When we're pulling down, it's going to go right up to here. And then we'll have another one to finish this off. And you're going to pull it up. And you're going to see that there's like this line on the scrotum. You can use that as your guide. Hair left on the bottom part of the shaft because you took it off when you flipped it upside down. Now when you put here, you're not putting the wax on other hair. So making it to pull, it's not going to hurt as much. Small strip. And it's just going to go and take the side. And again, using the line as an indicator of... And we're going to remove this hair. Like this patch of hair right here. And I just take it. It's totally fine to wax it.